What's up, soul family? I just wanted to do a quick video, and it was just such a beautiful day today. The weather, so I got myself to the park and plopped myself down underneath a tree. So just a simple message today. You know, the most simplest things are our greatest gifts. To sit under a tree, to go to nature, to be present in the moment, to be there for someone, to just listen to the birds. The most simplest things. And I feel like we take it for granted, but I just want to offer this moment, and actually I probably should do some light language while I'm here. Te soshona kayana ke se shotoyana kaya sa shotoyana. Ke sana kayana ke se kenaka toyoto shoto. Hiramaka sa shotayana koya sa shotoyana makaya. O sa shotoyama ka sa shotoyana ka sa shotoyana ka. Hiramaka sana kena ke sa se shete. Te se shotoyata dinana kaya. Demo kona ka kanono kita te sinaki sortortiarana ka sa shata. All right, just a quick message. I got on my Moldavite today. I got my favorite shirt, Light Warriors, we got this. Check out Higher Realm Holistics. If you haven't, she's amazing. She's awesome. Continuing on with our awakening. All right. Yeah, just a short message. Okay, bye.